All right, guys. So, can you guys follow my screen?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So basically, what we're doing right now is just we're going to talk a little bit about how the market is doing, right? Let's say a little bit on the cryptocurrency side, and we're going to talk also a little bit on the forex side. This we're going to talk a little bit about the hitting completely different. Okay, this is hitting different. Like the ROI on this BSC pack is completely insane. How much you guys can be making? Say it again. Can everybody hear me though?
Yes, loud and clear. Everything is
All right,
clear.
great. Uh, so there's a little echo. All right, so first we're gonna start with Bitcoin, okay? Let's see how Bitcoin is doing right now. This is actually here. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is how the market is doing today. All right. We saw the bottom of Bitcoin a couple of days ago when you went all the way, underneath 30,000. You went all the way to 28,000. All right. That was a couple of days ago. Let's say that was on June 22nd. Okay. Everybody was crying. Bitcoin is crashing, is crashing. But yeah, Bitcoin is, one of the king on its own because its volatility by itself, can speak louder. All right. Now we saw this big momentum on the upside here, okay, that came all the way and created new resistance right where this previous resistance was standing at, okay, at the 35,000 level, right? And it started bouncing back down, all right? So you went again all the way down to the 30,000 level, okay, and now it's back up to the 35. Now, what happened here is this, we can see from this one, from this, let me draw a little bit of this one right here. Okay, I will say from this section all the way down here, guys, look, the market has respected the market structure so very well that as soon as it got to this level, it started recovering. Okay, so you guys see that. Look, this touch right here on this section, it touched right at this bottom right here and came touch this bottom right here and came down, created another low here, which is at the 29, 28 range, right? Now, after that, it was oversold. What happened? We saw another, bullish momentum came at 35,000, and now we were down to 30,000, which was 2 days ago. And now, look, guys, we up where 36,000. You went all the way to 36,000 today. Now it retraces back down. Now we're looking at the price sitting at 3590 right now. Okay, 35,900. That's where the price is sitting at right now. So by looking at this, right? A little bit, just a little bit of technical, not much, but I just try to, highlight, the different key levels on this chart here on the hourly time frame, right? You can see this one touch right here, this one touch right here, this one touch right here. Also, this one touch right here, and the price keep rising up. Now it's retracing down, which is a very, very healthy for a trend. A trend cannot shoot all the way back up. It has to retrace it down so it can get, even stronger momentum. All right. So let's zoom in and out a little bit of our chart and see what's going on. If we look, for example, at the 4 hour time frame, all right, let's go a little bit on the back. So on the 4 hour time frame, this is how the chart is looking like. All right. You guys can see here, right? This is actually our top here on the 4-hour time frame. This was when was this? Was a couple of days. I would say this was on June 14, okay, maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago. So this is where actually we should be looking at right now, okay? After Bitcoin breaks this level, because this one right now, we see that there's a, couple of volumes. This is very important, guys. Look at the bottom, okay? This is the volume that is being traded. This is the volume that is being traded. Look at this big green candle, okay? This one can be a market manipulator here, all right? Because if we zoom in, right, look at this week. Look at this week. It created a hammer, okay? This type of candlestick is called a hammer, okay? So this hammer right here, the price came all the way down to $28,000, right? Within the same 4-hour time frame, right? It wasn't able to stay there. It shot all the way back up, okay? And the price closes at $32,000. All right. So that's like a $4,000 difference over there within the 4-hour time frame. All right. So this can be done by doing what? By doing market manipulation, because we got a whole bunch of whales here that are trying to control the market, right? They following this pattern, this similar pattern here. I would say, for example, let me pull up for you the Wyckoff. It's called the Wyckoff pattern. The Wyckoff pattern is a very similar pattern, okay? This is the Wyckoff pattern. For example, this one. This is something that we might be looking at, okay? There's an accumulation phase. This is accumulation phase, okay? There's also distribution phase. This is called distribution phase. If you see the distribution phase, right, is the reverse, okay? The upside down, which is the accumulation phase. So look at this chart right here correctly, right? You guys see, this is a top, this is the top, this is a top, and then this is a fake out, okay? This is a fake out. Now, if you take that same pattern, right, you reverse it, that's gonna be the accumulation phase. The accumulation mean like where people are gonna be buying, you're trying to accumulate. You're trying to accumulate more. When I say people, I'm not talking about retail traders here. I'm talking about like a real big institution, financial institution and big banks. This is the type of chart pattern that they use most likely, okay, to trade and to find the entry and exit strategy out of any type of market. It can be forex market, it can be cryptocurrency market, it can be the stock market, whichever market that has a candlestick in it, we can definitely do it with this one, right? So guys, looking at the chart of Bitcoin right here, this might be the one that we're looking at. Let's look at the daily time frame, okay? Let's look at the daily time frame. You're gonna see is a very similar, okay? Look right here. We have been creating, this is, can anybody tell me what type of pattern that we're looking at here? Can anybody tell me? This is called head and shoulder, okay? You have a shoulder here, you got a shoulder here, and this is the head, okay? So when that usually happens, okay, let me just highlight this head and the shoulder so you guys can see a little bit clearer, right? Let's say this section right here. Let's put this right here, right here, right here. Okay. So let's say this one is, for example, the head, right? This, for example, is the head, right? And over here can be what? The shoulder. And this one also can be another shoulder. So we have three here. We got a head, shoulder, and shoulder. When this happens, usually in the market, what are we looking? We're looking for a downtrend, okay? But the downtrend cannot happen straight all the way down. It has to be retracing back up, retracing downward. So if the whole overall market over here on a daily time frame, we're looking at a downtrend here overall. So we have to see that, continue its momentum all the way down. All right, on the hourly time frame. If we look at the hourly time frame, we're going to be seeing that it's creating different type of pattern. Okay. So look, we got what? This section right here was what? The previous resistance, right? The came all the way down here, create what? A support, which the price consolidating a little bit, right? This was June 21st, okay? And then it came all the way here, retraces back and shot all the way down to 28,000. Now back here, okay, this created what? It created a lower high. It wasn't able to come to resistance level. He created another low right here, and that low became a support. From that support, the market got a little bit of stronger momentum, and it shot back all the way to the 35,000 level, right? Again, the market reverses down, all right, came all the way down to the 30,000 level and shot all the way. Now we're looking at 35,000 level right now, okay? So this 35,000 level is very important for you guys, because from here we might be looking at two different scenarios, okay? We might be looking at the 37,000, okay, or we might be looking at the 30,000 level, okay, either 32,000 or 30,000 level, because from here we're looking at one resistance, which is this one, okay. The price might be even breaking that resistance. That's why I created this little path here, so you guys can see how the price can be doing. And also, if that's not the case, the price might come all the way back down here at this moving average level, okay, and retraces back up to create this fake out here and continue the momentum downtrend. That's in case we might be looking at the reversal scenario, okay, from the upside down, from the bullish momentum all the way to the bearish. All right. So in the meanwhile, this is how Bitcoin is doing. So this might be the second scenario. Let me show you guys the second scenario, how you can be looking at. For example, if I take this, take my flag here. All right. So we came here. Let's say this was the ceiling, okay? This was the resistance. In case this is resistance, what's going to happen? In case that's resistance, we might be looking at a scenario like this. Boom, from here, it can create a fake out all the way at this level, which is the moving average level, right? And then it's going to retrace back to this previous support, right? And then come all the way down to the 32,000 level. All right, so this might be another scenario that we're looking at. Okay, so this might be the first scenario that will be heading to the 37,000 level. Okay, for example, I will just create this like this. Let me create a little bit of long position. Okay, if we was to enter a trade right here, this was going to be, for example, the scenario that I'm trying to describe for you guys. Okay, you can create a support here. Okay, at the 35,000 level, right? And expand this all the way to the 37,000, probably 37,500. This one. And this is actually something, we're only looking at 3.52% increase here. Actually, the market today, let's look how the market is doing. The overall market, right? Let's see how the crypto market is doing today, because I know that, okay, guys, look, guys, how much have we up in the Bitcoin cryptocurrency market? 14% up. 14% up. This is increase over the last 24 hours. It's an increase over the last day, right? 14% up. So what makes you think that it's most likely not possible that we get another 3% up? It's very likely possible, okay? All the market is trying to do right now, if you zoom, you're gonna see a couple of red candles that are forming right now. But all I can say, these red candles are trying to get stronger momentum to continue on the uptrend. It might be we might be looking at a continuation. Okay, this might be probably a continuation. So that is about Bitcoin. And as we see here, look at this one. This is a volume right here that was created yesterday. Look at this big volume, this big green candle here. This also confirm you that we got a very, very good bullish momentum here. The price came all the way down to this level, right? Consolidating at this level right here. Look, and we got a couple of green, a couple of red, a little bit of wick. There's a very, very few wicks here that will tell you that the market most likely is not being manipulated, right? The more wicks you get within the chart, right, within a single time frame, that will tell you how much manipulation is going within that market, that specific market. So if we look here, we see a very, very few weeks on this market here, but we see a lot of consolidation here. You know, for example, within this range, right? This range, we're gonna see this is a pure consolidation, this one, okay? Because the price has stood here for at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, at least 24 hours. The price stood at this level here, the 32 to 33,000 level. Now, finally, when the price broke up that level, right, where we're sitting right now, 36, 35,000. Okay, so guys, what you can do here, you can probably set up an entry level once the price broke this channel. This can be one of the channels that you want to create, for example, right? You can put an entry at the top of this week, which is 36,000. Okay, the price came at that level today. The price was there. Look, guys, right here, it said the June 29th. Okay, 4 a.m. the price was at that level. So you can most likely, you know, set up an entry level here on your Binance, your KuCoin, whatever exchange you use. Okay, set up an entry level here, and then as soon the price hit that level, that's going to be a buy stop. Okay, as soon the price hit your buy stop, it's going to take you in a position, right? And then you're going to keep rising it all the way to the 30. One of the possible scenarios that we might be looking on the Bitcoin chart. Guys, look how the price has respected the market structure. Look, guys, let me zoom this in. Let me clear all of these, okay? And then hide all these moving averages. All right, guys, so as I was saying, look how the market has respected the structure. All these key level has been very, very well respected, okay? All these key level. So let me hide all these moving averages. So look at the naked chart right now. Look at the naked chart. This is one time frame, 1 hour time frame. So if I created my trend from here, okay? No, I don't want these. I'm just gonna delete all of these. I'm just trying to show you how the market has. Delete this. Also delete this. Delete this also. This. Okay, guys, look. So this is to tell you that technical analysis sometimes is really works, okay? Definitely works. So if anybody was, for example, to draw this line, okay? This line, this single line right here, I'm gonna draw it again, okay? This single line from here all the way, for example, here, okay? You draw this one and you say when the price come here at this trend line here, I want to enter. You can take an entry here, ride it all the way to this level. Or you can take this level, okay, put in your buy stop level, say, okay, when the price comes here, I want to enter this level and ride all this wave of green candle all the way to the top here. That's another profit. Or also, the same trend continue, you was going to be able to enter here, create, you know, a couple buy stops here, okay, take an entry level here and ride it all the way back to the 36,000 level right here. This is actually to show you that the technical analysis is really working so far in this chart here. You see, so if I trace this one all the way here like this is how my trend is going to look like. Okay, you guys can see the trend has been respected. The price went up here, came down to the trend here. It went all the way back up here again, came down to the trend here. And again, it went all the way back up, came down where? To the same trend here, okay? And keep going all the way back up. Now, where the price is sitting at right now, the price is actually sitting at what? The same trend here at the 35,800 level. Okay, so if anybody want to go like bearish, you think the price has touched the ceiling, this maybe is going to be for you. This section right here is going to be for you the resistance level. Okay, that's fine. You can try, okay, to create an entry level here, okay, which might be your sell stop level. That might be your sell stop. When the price comes to this level right here, you keep rising it all the way down. But be careful, okay, because you're going to need the price to retest the trend line or retest this resistance line before you confirm the downtrend. All right, guys. So far, does anybody have any question before we move into the next level?
All clear, no questions.
All right, great. If there is no question, what we're going to do is we're going to move to the next section. Okay, this next section is going to be it's going to be about Binance Launchpad. Okay, and let me tell you guys, this is a launchpad that is making people actually very, very rich right now. Okay, because this launchpad here, this is about the Binance, okay, smart chain, smart contract project. Okay, every smart contract project that is launching on the Binance smart chain, okay, if it's legit, okay, and if they use it BSC pad as a launch pad, if they launching the platform within this Binance launchpad right here, you're gonna be able most likely to enter and to take profit and to take advantage of whatever they offer, whatever leverage they offer. And I will try to explain to you guys a little bit what this platform is offering. Okay. Now, for example, let me scroll all the way back. Let me just look at this from the bottom. All right, so this is the BSC. Okay. This is how the platform itself looks. It says right here, BSC pad. What does it stand for? Binance Smart Chain Launchpad. This is what it stands for. Binance Smart Chain Launchpad. All right. All you need in order for you to get access to this one, all you need is to connect the wallet. Okay. To connect the wallet, this can be a MetaMask. Okay. It can be a Trust wallet. It can be whatever. And the second thing that you need is going to be some BSC pad amounts. Okay. It depends, but most likely it starts from 1,000 BSC pad. And let me show you guys how much is one BSC pad right now. If you come to CoinMarketCap, okay, BSC pad, you look for BSC pad, it's going to be right here. Okay. One BSC pad right now is being traded at a little bit less than $1. Okay, is at being traded at 96 cents right now. One BSC pad. Okay, and it's up 4% for a day. Within the last 24 hours, it's up 4%. Okay, the high for the 24 hours was $1.03. Okay, now the price is at 96 cents right now, and this is about this project right here. So you can't get into this project unless you have a MetaMask wallet, a Trust wallet, and their coin itself. Their coin is the one that is called the BSC pad token. Okay, and you can buy those coins either on Binance, the platform, or you can buy it on the MetaMask platform. So in order for you to find this one, you can just come here onto swap. You click on swipe, okay, and you have, if you have Binance, or if you have any other coin that you want to swap, okay, you have Tether, you can use Tether and swap it for what? For BSC pack, okay, and click that, and you're gonna see right here, it said one verified source has been found, okay, so that means Binance, that Binance BSC can, this is the Binance scan, okay, like the same thing that you're using Etherscan for. This is the same thing that you use to scan, Binance different transactions. This is Binance blockchain right here. So this one mean this coins right here has been verified on the Binance blockchain, okay, and then you hit continue, okay, and you choose the amount that you want to switch, okay, it can be, for example, $100, okay, and you hit review and swap. But since I don't have no Tether right now, it's gonna go ahead and give me, the code. So I'm gonna need to pay $104.63. That those $4.63, that's gonna be for the fees, okay. And you can see right here, the fees is very low. The fees actually right now is $1.55 compared to what? So Etherscan, okay, which is gonna be very, very high if I was to use a Ethereum blockchain. Okay, this is one thing that is, allowing people to take advantage of the Binance Smart Chain, okay, instead of the Ethereum smart contract, because the Ethereum smart contract, they're using the Uniswap, okay, for them to swap in between different tokens, okay, different Ethereum ERC20 tokens, right? They're using Uniswap. But what is the problem with Uniswap? The problem with Uniswap is that Uniswap has a very, very high transaction fees. So people like me and you, retail traders, don't have access to it. Because if you're trying to swap, for example, $100 worth of Ethereum smart contract token, you gonna have most likely be forced to pay at least 30%, which is gonna be $30. So who wanna pay $30 just to swap $100 instead of paying $2 to swap $100? So look right here on Binance, you can pay $2 literally. On there's another one where you can pay only 61 cents literally. Okay, so you can use it either or and swipe your $100. You're gonna be getting the whole $100 instead of you getting $70, which you were gonna get if you were to use the Ethereum smart contract. Okay, so this is also another benefit of you using the Binance Smart Chain. All right, now you're gonna come here, you connect your wallet. Okay, we can hit this, and it's gonna ask us, okay, hit MetaMask, and there's gonna ask us here that our MetaMask, what is the network that we're trying to use? I have one network selected, which is the C1, the last 4 digits of my account, and hit next, for example, okay? It's gonna try to connect to my Binance account. That is what it's doing right now. I'll hit connect to allow it, and you see the Binance is being connected. Okay, as you guys see, right now it took directly contact with my Binance smart contract, okay? You say I have 344.53 Binance Launchpad token right now. Can everybody see this section? 344.5396 BSC pack. Can you guys see that? Are you guys able to see my wallet over here? The one that is highlighted, the yellow one. Are you guys able to see it? Let me see what they say in the charts. Now, this is now from on MT4. This is not on MT4. This is on the Binance. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. This is not MT4. Okay, this is Binance Smart Chain. This doesn't have nothing to do with MetaTrader 4. Doesn't have nothing to do with Forex. This is 100% crypto. Okay, so we didn't even talk about Forex yet. All right. So I'm just trying to show you guys how many projects these guys are launching here. All of these are projects, you know, different launchpad that have taken place on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, especially on the launchpad platform, and you can see how much was the coin being traded at, how much it was BUSD, sorry, BUSD. And one BUSD actually stands for $1. Okay, this is just a stable coin, but it's from Binance. Okay. So let's take, for example, these are the projects that are coming soon. Okay, these are the different projects that are coming soon. So far we have three projects. Okay, we got this one right here. This is called swaps. Okay, so by us clicking that one, it's going to take us directly to the platform, you know, the website. Okay, which you can see here, they got a Twitter, they got a Telegram, and they got a Medium. So all these are different social media that they're using. And you have another one here which is called Decubate. Okay, they also have all these 4 different social media here, and you got another one which is called Safe Launch. Okay, okay. So these are not launched yet, they're not live yet, but these are the different projects that are about to come soon. Okay, guys. So do anybody have any questions so far on the Binance Launchpad? Because this is a Binance Launchpad. And these people even offer the in here, so you can stake. Okay, let me point to this thing right here is a KYC. Okay, so in order for you to be able to get into this project, okay, they're going to ask you to do your KYC, especially for projects that do KYC. Okay, KYC is know your customer. All right, that will allow you and the project, I mean you, to be identified through the project. Okay, this is their calendar, and this is the help section. So if you want to stake, this is where you're going to stake. Number of stakers, you got 7,000 people that are staking right now, and the APY is 15%. Okay, and the total amount staking of this BSC pad, this is the amount of BSC pad that are being staked right now. Okay, it's like 46 million BSC pad, right? I haven't taken none because I'm not ready to stake yet, but you're definitely gonna need to stake if you're trying to invest into these different launch pads. Okay, you got the withdraw button here, you got the unstake button here. So after you unstake, you must wait 7 days before you can withdraw your BSC pad. Okay, so that means there's a waiting time period in order for you to be able to withdraw. Now, this is how you guys can get into this project. Okay, you can buy your PancakeSwap. Okay, you can apply for IDO. Okay, IDO is an initial decentralized offering. Okay, if you're trying to you know, launch a project, so this is how you're gonna apply to launch your project into their platform. All right, so this is their different partners. Okay, you can see they partner with Chainlink, which is an Ethereum competitor. Okay, they partner with Trumpad and also with Bonded. Okay, now let's see right here. So you can see right here what is BSC pad, what is there about, you know. You can read it right here. They say the BSC Launchpad is the first decentralized IDO platform for the Binance Smart Chain network. So this is the first ever Binance initial decentralized offering, okay, for Binance smart contract. Now, you say BSC Power will empower cryptocurrency project with the ability to distribute token and raise liquidity. All right. So why I choose us? You guys can go through this. You can read it for yourself. These are the different tiers that they're offering. they got the bronze, they got the silver, they got the gold, okay? And mind you guys, this is 100% decentralized, okay? This is 100% decentralized. They got platinum, they got diamond, they got blue diamond, all these different tiers, you can get it from here, okay? And they have different requirements. These are the different requirements here, okay? These are the different pool weights, how much you get in per pool. It depends on what tiers you apply for. Okay, for example, the gold is here, you need to have 5,000 of day token stake in order for you to be there. The platinum is here, you need to have 10,000 in order for you to be there, okay? And you can also keep scrolling down. They have the round two, which is FCFS, which stands for first come, first service, okay, round. Okay, so you can see here all the team behind this projects, okay, this decentralized project, and you can see the legal skills here. You can contact them. They have like 4 different social media network that you can contact them. So guys, this is a very, very nice platform, okay? You guys should be definitely excited to try this platform. Me personally, you guys can see here, I have 344 BSC pad right now, and I'm trying to multiply, increase this amount so I can get into it. I'm probably trying to get 5,000 of these token right here, so I can be able to, you know, participate into these different projects, because you got reward for you participating in this project, okay? You got reward. How much are these reward? These reward are right here, the pool weight. So that means you're getting 10 pool weights, okay? You're getting 30 pool weight right here. You're getting 65 pool weight, okay? But I would say the most, the more popular right here is the 5,000. If you're staking 5,000, that will make it gold, okay? So you're gonna be gold, and then you're gonna be in the 65 pool weight. And guarantee allocation, you have allocation guarantee. So whenever the project is launching, you get a cut of the project. It's like you being an investor, an early investor of this project, because this is just for private investor, okay? This is before we even get into the public ICOs. All right, guys? So this is something that you guys definitely want to look at, all right? So if you want to get into it, as I say, you need first, you need a MetaMask account, which is this one, okay? And second, you need a BSC pad tokens, okay? And third, you need to pass the KYC, okay? But KYC you don't have to do the KYC. The only time you will have to do the KYC is if you are trying to apply for IDO, and these IDO are requiring the KYC. Because there's some project over there that require KYC, there's some project that don't require KYC. So it depends what type of project you're trying to get in. Okay, guys? So with that being said, this was just an introduction to the Binance Smart Chain Launchpad. Okay, I hope you guys are excited about it. I hope you guys enjoying about it. I'm gonna take a couple of questions. If anybody has any question, you let me know the question that you have, and I'm gonna answer the question before we wrap this up. Okay.
Okay. Can you buy some the coins that you have there? Can you buy it right now? Right?
Yeah, these coins that I have right now, I can definitely buy some coins. How I'm gonna buy some coins is by me coming back here on my Launchpad, for example. On my Binance, for example, I got 0.05. Let's see how much that is worth. Binance BNB to USD, for example. Let's convert that and see how much that is worth. Say I got 0.05 Binance coin. Okay, Binance, if I have 0.05 Binance, that's gonna be $14, okay? So if I'm trying to buy, for example, $14 worth of this coin right now, you can see right here, I got 344, right? The same thing that is displaying here, 344, right? So let's see if we can buy a little bit of this thing. We go to swap, okay? Hit Binance, okay, because we have Binance coin, okay? And do, for example, 0.02, okay? That's gonna be $5, okay? And then select our token here, BSC pad, okay? It's a one source verified. That is very good news. That means it's not a scam, okay? It's already verified on the Binance scan. If you want, you can hit this and open that one right here. Open it in the new tab, okay? That's gonna be this one. You can come right here and verify it Okay, you guys can see here, this is the contract, this is a smart contract, the website is here, the transfer that is taking place is here, how much people are holding it, you can also get that on here. Okay, you can see all of these are holding it. Okay, the biggest people that are holding it is the 50 million. Okay, they're holding 28% of this. So that means again, this is legit. Okay, so you can keep moving forward. Okay, so let's come back to our MetaMask. Okay, hit continue, is verified, and we can use our slippage. 1 second, somebody is hitting my phone right now. Okay, so we can hit the slippage. We can choose the lower one, which is 2%. The slippage is you don't have to worry about that. Okay, it's like the difference in between the price change by the time that you're making your transaction. For example, I'm making my transaction, the price change, the swap rate that I'm getting from the Binance Coin to the BSC pad. In case that price is changed, right, the difference, that's why going to be called the slippage. Okay, so you don't have to be worried about that. You can just select the one that they're giving you review swap. Okay, it's going to try to contact like both section. Okay, air swap, 1 inch, and all of that, and it's going to give me a code, and this is a code. Okay, I'm going to be getting 6 BSC pad. Okay, are you following, Mike? Are you following?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm getting 6 BSC pad, okay, 6.2, and that's gonna cost me 0.35 cent, okay, 35 cents in what? Network fees, instead of very, very ridiculous high fees of Ethereum, okay? So we hit swap. Right now, the rate is 1 Binance is equal to 312 BSC pad. That is the rate right now. This is the rate right here. So we hit swap and wait, it's gonna process. Transaction completed. Okay, you say your 6.23 BSC pad has been added to your account. Okay, so let's see, let's go back. How much was my account? It was 344.53, right? So let's see how much it is right now. Look, 350. It increased. Do you see? Mike, are you following? Did you understand? Do you understand how I swap from Binance Coin to BSC pad?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so if you have any other coin, Bitcoin or Ethereum, right? What you're gonna need to do first is to get that converted. Okay, you get that converted and go back on your what am I gonna say? On your MetaMask, either use Ethereum, okay, or whatever network you're trying to use.
Okay, so what I have is I have the Binance Coin, I have BNB, I have straight BNB on my Binance account, and you know there's a Binance Smart, the Smart Wallet. I don't remember exactly the name, but you know what I'm talking about. So from there,
yeah, this one right here, the smart chain.
yes, yeah, the Binance Chain Wallet, that one, yeah.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
So I have the access of the Binance account that has the VNB coin, so I can just buy from there.
Exactly. Yes.
With the with this
So,
with the wallet, with the Binance wallet.
yeah, exactly. So if you were, for example,
So I don't need the MetaMask.
Exactly. Yeah, you don't need the MetaMask. Definitely agree. Definitely agree. So all you need to do, let me expand this. Let me expand this. Where's my section? Let me hit back up. Okay, click this and expand my view. Okay, so look at this right here. For example, if you're trying to, from here, if you're trying to add something, okay, you say buy on PancakeSwap. You can either buy it on PancakeSwap, or you can buy it from this one, the Binance Smart Chain wallet, this one, the one that Mike is talking about. But in that case, you need to have something in your Smart Chain wallet, okay? But you don't even have to have it here, the token here. As long as your token are in the MetaMask, right? This one is incorporated inside your MetaMask, okay, guys? So this one is incorporated inside your MetaMask. So as long as you have some fun inside the MetaMask and the Binance coin, okay, you're definitely gonna be able to see them onto this other Binance Smart Chain wallet, and you're gonna be able to swipe from your Binance coin to BSC pad within the Binance Smart Chain wallet. If that makes sense. Does that make sense?
So basically, you say you have to link the Binance wallet with the MetaMask. You have to link it.
Yes, the Binance Smart Chain, not the Binance wallet, but the Binance Smart Chain.
Yeah. Okay.
This one.
So you have
this
to
one
link
has
that
to be
with the
linked.
MetaMask.
Exactly. This one has to be linked to the MetaMask because you see right here, it's inside the MetaMask. You see right here, it's inside the MetaMask. Okay. So this one has to be linked to the MetaMask. Okay, in order for you to be able to, you know, for them to be communicating with each other. In that case, your coin is gonna be a MetaMask, but you're using the Binance Smart Chain wallet to interact, so you can buy the Binance Launchpad that we're trying to get in order for us to get into this project. Any other question? Okay, so I guess we are good. We're gonna wrap it up because I don't want to overwhelm with a whole bunch of information. This project right here, look out for these three projects, okay? These three projects that are coming up. Look out for this project. These are projects that are gonna be hidden, okay? Because I personally know this project. The Pocketel, this is a very good project, okay? This is a very good project. So you guys look up for projects that are good, that are about to launch, okay? In this one right here, if you want to get into, even if it's a 1,000 Binance, Binance or Launchpad token, you can afford, right? This is gonna be like a type of residual income for you, okay? Residual income is this, that's where you earn income, right? Passively without even you doing nothing, okay? And you're gonna be able to unstake your coin and put them back into your wallet like whenever you want to, all right? If you wanna get into one of these projects, you just gotta make sure that you have at least your coins ready and staked, let's say a couple hours before they hit the exchange, okay? Let's say I would say maybe 3 hours. Okay, most likely 3 hours time frame before they hit the exchange, before they live on the BSC pad. You're gonna need to have your tokens already staked on the BSC pad platform, so you can be able to get your allocation. And the allocation is one of the most important things in this section, because that one is the one that gonna allow you what am I gonna say? To have your allocations, okay? You are getting into this project, into this BSC pad as an early investor, okay? And you wanna have access to all of these tokens, right? But privately before they becomes public, right? As you guys know, if, for example, if we take stock, okay? Any stocks that is about to launch right now in the stock exchange, right? They have to do the IPOs, okay? IPO stand for initial public offering. That is on the stock section, okay? If we take crypto, any different crypto that is about to launch, let's say DeFi, let's say Binance smart contract, let's say Ethereum smart contract, anything that is about to launch right now on different exchanges, they have to do ICO. ICO is also called initial coins offering. So this one allowed the public to get access to these different projects, right? But at very, very low price. So that low price right there, you are trying to get even lower price than that one. There's nothing that you can beat, okay? You are trying to get those coins at even lower price. Not even you're gonna get them at the lower price, but also you're gonna get a free coin, which are the different allocations, right? Which has 100% guarantee because of your position that you occupy on the platform. Okay, so there's a couple of thousand people that are staking right now. You want to be among these thousands of people, so you can be able to get all these 100% guaranteed allocation, so you can maximize your profit. this is what this platform is about. Now, if there's no other question, I'm going to try to wrap this up right now. We will today we just spoke about the Binance Launchpad. Tomorrow tomorrow or probably 2 days from now, I'm going to try to explain to you guys how this new project that comes out here, because actually I'm trying to get, as you guys see here on this section, I only have 350 coins right now. Okay, so I'm doing dollar cost averaging. Okay, every day I'm trying to buy a little bit more. Every day I'm trying to buy a little bit more whenever it dips down. So you guys can also follow the same strategy so you can maximize your profit. But the goal is to get 1,000 of these tokens. Okay, my goal personally is to get 5,000, but you guys, your goal can be able to 1,000 Launchpad. So in that case, you can be able to be at least the bronze, okay, on the bronze section. But listen, if you're on the bronze section, you get guaranteed allocation also like everybody else. But all you gotta do, the difference here is you gotta do a little bit on the social media platform. You gotta comment and retweet so you can help them do the marketing, okay? But if you have 5,000, okay, you don't have no requirement, you don't have to do nothing. All you gotta do is just stake, okay? And you gotta stake 3 hours before the allocation round started. All right, guys? So these are the different type of section that you can get into this project. All right. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna close this live real quick. Okay, if there's no question, we spoke a little bit about Bitcoin. Okay, as you guys see, Bitcoin is still trying to get to the 3,600. We may be looking at the 37,000, or we might be looking at the 32,000 level. Okay, so you can put your entry level a little bit above about what the price is right now, probably 36, 137. So in that case, you can be able to catch a little bit of the upside pips in case the price is going bullish, or you can put also another entry level here, but make sure it's a pending order. Okay, I'm not saying nobody to take a market execution order right now. You can enter as a pending order right now. You can either do a sell stop or do a buy stop. Okay, or you can do both. Put a buy stop here and put a sell stop here. In that case, whenever it breaks the structure, right, you're gonna be able to catch it. All right, guys, that's about the Bitcoin. Now, tomorrow I'm gonna be talking a little bit about what am I gonna say? The Forex section. I know Forex section right now. We're in the Asian session that's going on right now. So we're gonna talk a little bit about that tomorrow. Probably for 1 hour or 2 hours, and then let's see how the market is doing that section. All right, guys. So I'm wrapping this up right now. I hope you guys all have a wonderful evening. If anybody got any question, you can get back to me within my inbox, and I'll try to make sure it's clear. India, you follow me? Is India there? Oh, she's on here, but she's not even listening. Okay. Mike.
Yeah, I'll contact you probably tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, not today, so we can purchase some of those coins. Okay, I have some BNB sitting there, and I'm not gonna keep it holding because let me see. Yeah, it's 300. So the BNB is at 300 right now. So it's okay. I'm just gonna spend that whatever I have there, so I can buy some coins.
But listen, but that is great. That is great because you can take advantage of this platform, right? Especially me that I'm investing into this platform, you can also take advantage of this platform, right? Whenever they on private sale, right? I can keep you updated before the private sales end. Because after the private sales end, they're gonna go public sale. The public sale is gonna be the ICO. You can still buy it at a very, very low price. So you can definitely keep your Binance coins right now. And because the Binance is on the rise right now, because the market is trying to recover. So whenever they hit the public, I'll just let you know so you can get back in it. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay. So we have to at least have 1,000 of those coins.
Oh no, to be a private investor, at least you need to have 1,000 of those. And that's
Yeah.
at least that's like let's say average of $1,000, a little bit over $900.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'll definitely keep you posted because tomorrow we're still gonna be talking about this a little bit.
Got it.
And I think I sent you the link for the merchant token. You got it, right?
No, I haven't yet. I haven't.
All right, so I'm gonna double check right now and see if I can send it to you. Okay.
All right.
All right, man. So enjoy your evening. I'll talk to you in a few. All right.
You too. All right. Cool.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Later.
All right. Good. All right. Later.